Welcome to the grand inauguration of Mayfair's newest jewel. Nestled in the heart of Puria, Bihar, a celebration of elegance, luxury, and hospitality begins. With reverence, the gracious hostess adorns each guest's forehead with a tilak, a symbol of honor and welcome that transcends words. Hearts unite in joyous anticipation. Distinguished guests and patrons congregate at the center, a symbol of unity and new beginnings. Amidst an air of excitement, the procession commences, each step a testament to the journey that led us here. A burst of vibrant energy takes center stage. As balloons ascend, a welcome dance ensnares the senses, setting the tone for a night of enchantment. The gentle rhythm of sacred words resonates through the air, a spiritual blessing imparted by Panditji at the porch, invoking positivity and auspicious beginnings. Underneath a canopy of dreams, the red carpet unfurls, inviting our esteemed guests to step into a world where luxury and sophistication blend seamlessly. The coconuts break, their fragments symbolizing obstacles shattered. Distinguished VIPs partake, infusing the atmosphere with the spirit of resilience and unity. A single ribbon, a bridge between the past and future, is gracefully severed. With this gesture, a new chapter is officially unveiled, marking a momentous milestone. Its radiant flame illuminates not only the physical space, but also the hearts that converge within it. And now, the sweet finale approaches. With laughter and camaraderie, the cake is cut, a slice of joy shared among all, a symbol of prosperous togetherness. Circle of unity to the cherished moments etched in time, Mayfair's new branch in Puria, Bihar, stands ready to create memories that will forever linger in our hearts. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey.